Nagningning ang ganda ng 25 kandidata ng Limgas na Pangasinan 2023 sa Provincial Capital Ground noong Sabado para sa Coronation Night. Hiyawan ang kanilang mga supporters mula sa iba't ibang bayan at lungsod. Mas umingay pa nang rumampa ang mga ito suot ang swimsuit. Angat at Best in Swimsuit Award si Limgas ng Binmalay ni Kisha Buenafet Cheve. Sunod silang rumampa suot ang mga long gowns. Mula sa 25, pinili ang top 12 semi-finalists. Suot muli ang swimsuit, confident na sinagot ng top 12 ang ilang katanungan ng mga judges, kabilang si Miss Universe Philippines 2020 Rabia Mateo at Miss World Philippines 2022 Gwen Fornoil.
A pharmacy student, I know the importance of marijuana when it comes to the medical use, and I am for that. However, for the recreational use,
pasok sa top 5 ang pambato ng Binmalay, Mangaldan, Lingayen, Urdaneta, at Bulinaw. Isa-isa nilang sinagot ang parehong katanungan para sa final question and answer portion.
As a proud Pangasinan, how can you best introduce your province to first-time tourists visiting the place? Where will you bring them, and what is the best way for them to experience our worldwide renowned hospitality?
Well, if I had the choice to bring them anywhere, I would bring them to my hometown, Binmalay. I would bring them to the town center, a place of history, culture, and people, where in the middle cherry blossoms bloom, and we have the iconic Fountain of Hope, which symbolizes the strength of the people of Binmalay.
Pangasinan is my home, and I would introduce it to the first timer like it is their home. I would introduce to them the different tourist destinations of our province, the 100 Islands of Alaminos, my town, which is Bulinaw, which you have seen, which is the wonders of the West. And I will let them taste our local delicacies, and of course, I will let them feel the warmth of every Pangasinense, because we are here to show you that this is your home away from home. Thank you.
Second runner-up si Limgas na Urdaneta. First runner-up naman ang Limgas ng Lingayen. Nasungkit ni Stacy De Ocampo ng Bulinaw ang Limgas na Pangasinan Tourism. Limgas na Pangasinan Grand naman ang pambato ng Mangaldan na si Ronald Lalaine Lopez. At ang hinirang na Limgas na Pangasinan World ang pambato ng Binmalay na si Nikisha Buenafet Cheve.
I feel lost for words. I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to feel. It's surreal. So thank you for being here.
Sa pagtatapos ng Limgas na Pangasinan ngayong taon, sunod nilang paghahandaan ang pagsabak sa National Pageant bilang opisyal na mga pambato ng probinsya.
If I'm ready for Limgas, I think I'm ready for the National Pageant. And we are going to be trained by KF, so I'm really excited about that.
I'm actually very excited po, and this is actually very unexpected. But I know that I am more than ready when it comes to joining pageants. Thank you.
I think that I'm ready. However, I do believe that there's room to progress and to become better, and I'm willing to work hard into being that.
We will try to be ready for the national pageant, and hopefully an international one.
Ang mga bagong tagapangalaga ng corona ang makakatuwang ng pamahalaang panlalawigan sa mga proyekto at programa sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Randy Guzman para sa Luzon Headlines.